25 signs that your parents are the cause of your depression. Have you ever wondered if your parents might be the cause of your depression? Have you faced experiences in your life that stem from your relationship with your parents, leaving you in fear and depression? If you've had such experiences, you should know that you are not alone. We all come into the world with parents who, like us, have flaws and imperfections. In this article, we aim to take a deeper look at 25 signs that your parents might create and explore how these factors can affect your mood and performance. Along the way, we strive to provide you with insights to better understand how these issues may contribute to your depression, as well as offer solutions to help you address these challenges. So join us on this journey to gain a better understanding of parental relationships and the impact on your emotional well-being and functioning. Parents may unintentionally or unknowingly be a source of depression for their children. Below we list 25 signs of such circumstances. 1. Constant criticism. Your parents consistently criticize without offering praise or encouragement, leading to feelings of depression. 2. High expectations. Your parents have high expectations that you cannot meet, creating a sense of failure. 3. Controlling role. Your parents make decisions for you, reducing your sense of control and autonomy. 4. Inconsistent discipline. Your parents provide inconsistent and unpredictable discipline, leaving you confused and anxious. 5. Ignoring your needs. Your parents do not pay attention to your needs, creating a sense of neglect. 6. Unreasonable restrictions. Your parents impose unreasonable limitations, causing frustration and unhappiness. 7. Lack of respect. Your parents do not respect you and may belittle your opinions. 8. Lack of support. Your parents fail to support you during difficult times, fostering a sense of loneliness. 9. Disregarding your needs. Your parents neglect your emotional and physical needs. 10. Overcommitment. Your parents allocate excessive time to other activities, leaving little time for you. 11. Ignoring fears and worries. Your parents do not acknowledge your fears and worries, leaving you feeling isolated. 12. Broken promises. Your parents break positive commitments, eroding trust in them. 13. Comparison with others. Your parents may frequently compare you with others, creating feelings of competition and inadequacy. 14. Pressure for success. Your parents put pressure on you to achieve significant success, which can be highly stressful. 15. Parental roles as friends. Parents should fulfill a parental role rather than trying to be your friends. 16. Isolation and social constraints. Your parents may isolate you from others to discourage social interactions. 17. Lack of flexibility. Parents should be flexible and open to communication and change. 18. Disrespect for personal boundaries. Parents should respect your personal boundaries and not intrude into private matters. 19. Accusations. Parents should not make false accusations against you or disrespect you to others. 20. Neglect and disregard. Parents should not neglect your emotional needs and should spend quality time with you. 21. Missed opportunities. Parents should not hinder your pursuit of important opportunities. 22. Emotional connection. Parents should establish a healthy emotional connection with you and value your emotions. 23. Misplaced spirituality. Parents should not impose their religious or spiritual beliefs on you. 24. Lack of trust. Parents should trust you and have faith in your abilities. 25. Encouragement for growth. Parents should not hinder your development and growth, but rather encourage your progress. If you feel that your parents exhibit one or more of these signs, you may consider discussing this issue with them or seeking the guidance of a counselor or psychologist to find solutions for managing and improving this situation.